Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video, we have the rear multifunction entertainment system from Hansshow. They sent me this fabulous device that just goes where the rear seats are so that passengers can play music, warm their seats, and do some other things as well. I think you can also play games. So we're going to quickly unbox it, show you the installation, which is very easy as well. Then I'll show you what type of things this thing can do. And once again, if you have passengers in your back seat, kids, or do ride sharing, this is a really cool accessory that you can use. So let's get started with the video. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get this fabulous device unboxed and check out what it can do. Right away, we have our QR code to our manual, and this thing is a perfect fit for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y and enhances the vehicle's interior. And it comes with all the necessary tools needed for the installation right in this bag, so just open that up, and guess what? This is all you'll need right here to install. And it has an ODB wire harness, panel removal tool, USB-A to USB-C adapter, which is all included. And this thing is beautiful. It has an 8.6-inch HD screen, Android 12, 8-core CPU, 64 gigs of storage, and USB-C ports right on the front. And also has movable vents, left, right, up, down. Great. And this thing is an easy installation. Just power off your car, just like I'm doing like so. Grab this panel, pull back, and this will come right off. Just be careful. There is a connector right here that you're going to want to disconnect. Alright, great. Now that that's disconnected, you're just going to go ahead and put this connector right in like so, and that part's all done. Then you'll just use the panel removal tool to remove this bottom cover here and access the ODB port. Then you'll just go ahead and take that right out like so, and then use the included wire harness to plug in like so, and it'll be both sides here. Just make sure you get both of those in and they're snapped in, locked in. Then just remove these two screws here. This will allow you to access this panel a little bit easier, and you'll see what I'm talking about here. I'm able to just flex the cable right in along the inside there, and once that's done, you can go ahead and just snap the panel right back in place. Alright, now you just got two connectors that you want to do. One white connector just like so, and then a black one here, and you cannot mix these up. The installation is so easy. And just like that, the screen is ready to be put back on. Just make sure you get the wires all out of the way and go ahead and just align it, and take your time here, and then when it's aligned, just snap it right back in place on all sides. Then you're going to want to make sure to peel off both of the films. I had two on mine, and look at that beautiful screen. Oh, so good. Now we're going to go ahead and buckle this thing back up because that installation is done. So let's get these two screws back in and put the panel right back on. Same thing, make sure it snaps in on all sides for a nice snug fit. Alright, and connecting to the internet is easy. You don't have to connect for all the features, but for some features you definitely want to connect to the internet. So you can use a Wi-Fi hotspot or a phone. Now we're just going to go over the menu here. You have your add-on air purification, keep mode, dog mode, camp mode, and child lock right on the front or on and off. Second menu here, you can go ahead and warm any seat you would like. And if your car supports it, you got massage seats as well. And guess what? You can control music and volume from the back, volume up, down, or change the tracks. And look at this here. You have music, video, gallery, file manager, car info, settings, audio settings, Chrome, Playbook, YouTube, TikTok, and more, and it's fully customizable. You can even change the wallpapers too. And guess what? You can upload and watch 4K videos straight to the back screen as well. And you can play videos from USB too. So either or. And check this out here. Music. Guess what? You can upload music via USB or storage. And you can play them right along in the back seat. And you can use a built-in speakers or a Bluetooth headset, whichever you choose. Now we have a top menu here for more settings as well. Just scroll down and you got the top menu for Wi-Fi and other settings as well. And look what I did. I connected a karaoke machine via Bluetooth as well, and I sang my life away in the back seat, but I don't think you guys want to hear that. And guess what? You can play games, movies, and more. Kids love this thing. It is awesome. And that was the Hansshow H86 Android rear entertainment screen. Great device. And guess what? Handshow's offering 22% off with the code Bazzar. Once again, 22% off with the code Bazzar. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next one.